Ni kati ya taarifa ambazo zinagonga vyombo vya habari kwa sasa, zinatujia katika meza yetu ya habari kulingana na mkasa wa ajali ya ndege ambao umetokea katika kaunti ya Wajir. Mkiniruhusu nibadili ndimi, nitawafahamisha kulingana na kisa hiki. A Kenyan Defence Forces KDF helicopter crashed during takeoff on Monday in Wajir County. The chopper was engaged in a humanitarian mission supplying food items to families affected by floods in Buna Town, Wajir North constituency. The crash has left several individuals, including pilots and teachers, nursing injuries, according to Abdi Amanya, the Wajir County Red Cross coordinator. The mission, intended to bring relief to the flood-affected families, took a devastating turn as the chopper faced difficulties during takeoff. The Kenya Defence Forces plays a crucial role in disaster relief efforts. The helicopter was part of the ongoing efforts to provide assistance to the communities grappling with the aftermath of floods in the region. The crash serves as a stark reminder of the challenges and risks involved in such missions, even when undertaken with noble goal of aiding those in need. Abdi Amanya, overseeing Red Cross operation in Wajir County, reported injuries sustained by various individuals who were in the chopper, highlighting the urgency of responding to the aftermath of the crash. The incident not only raises questions about the safety protocols in place during relief operation, but also underscores the bravery of those involved in providing essential aid in challenging circumstances. This is FM Show KE. My name is Felix Wonder.